Hi everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. So in this video, I would like to share a Bath and Body Works body care haul with you. I picked up some more of my summer faves. So without further ado, let's jump in. Got my box here. I already opened it to save time. So first up is Firecracker Pop. I got another fine fragrance mist. And this one is red cherry, fresh citrus, and juicy berry. Ready, set, summer. Indulge in the sweetest season with a juicy and sunny tribute to cool treats. And I have done reviews on these scents. So go check those out. But this one is very cherry, very fruity. It's nice. I really like Firecracker Pop. And so I know semi-annual sale is June 14th, but I'm like, I still want to make sure that some of my favorites don't sell out. You know what I mean? So I went ahead and picked up a fine fragrance mist and Firecracker Pop. And I picked up another berry waffle cone. Such cute packaging. Sweet summer berries, golden waffle cone, and creamy vanilla. And it is that. It is. It smells so delicious. Like fruity cake cone, and then it dies down into like a fruity pebbles type scent. And I love it. I love berry waffle cone. I love it. Yeah, so I got another fine fragrance mist. I did the buy three. What did I do? Buy three, get two, I think, is what I did. Because I didn't get these during a sale or anything. So then I picked up Bonfire Bash because I need it. And I wasn't showing you guys, but the tops are glittery. I don't know if you can see that, but they're like infused with silver flecks. So I love that extra feature. So cute. Vanilla bourbon, creamy sandalwood, and cashmere musk. And this one surprised me because I don't know what I expected for this to be, but this is actually really nice. It does remind me of Sweet Whiskey, the blue one, but not quite as like boozy as that one. You know what I mean? It's very vanilla forward, vanilla rich. It is just wonderful. I love this one. I love it so much. So that's Bonfire Bash. And then I picked up a Sunkissed. Such adorable packaging. I love that. The orange sky with the blue water and the sailboats and the blackbirds. It's so pretty. So this one is Sundridge Orange Blossom, Sparkling Sea Salt, and Vanilla Breeze. It's so nice. It's so nice. It is just a beautiful orange blossom with vanilla and like very fresh. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, you guys. Yeah, so that is Sunkissed. Love that one. What other fragrance mist did I get? Okay, Midnight Swim. Yes. I'm glad I got another one of these. Midnight Swim. So, blue waters, beach flower, and fresh coastal air. Oh, this one, it's so good, you guys. It's like a fresh aquatic, I don't know, fresh aquatic, like unisex fragrance. Men and women, I think, could wear this one. Oh, it's great. I love this one, Midnight Swim. I think that Bath and Body Works has outdone themselves for this summer collection. I really like it. And then I got another berry waffle cone. body cream because I use the body creams up so fast. The fine fragrance mist, I don't tend to use those as much. I think it's because I'm not remembering to reapply as much as I should or could. But the body creams I use up very, very quickly. And this is the 24-hour Moisture Ultra Shea body cream. It is a little on the greasy side, which I love that because I have dry skin. But yeah, this one in the lotion, oh my gosh, it's so nice, you guys. Fruity Pebbles. Fruity Pebbles cereal. Or one of the subscribers said Tricks. Yeah, Tricks too. Tricks cereal. I had forgotten about that one, but ooh, yes. And then I picked up another Denim and Daisies body cream because I still have the the fine fragrance mist, but I'm running low on the body cream because I have been using this one. This has replaced Berry Waffle Cone in my heart for the new releases. This is my favorite new release, Denim and Daisies. It's wonderful, you guys. Sweet Daisies, Sun-Washed Denim, and Summer Citrus. And this is like, you just got your jeans out of the dryer, you use extra fabric softener, and you're like walking through a field of daisies. It's so pretty. So fresh, floral. Oh, I love this one. I love it so much. And then I picked up a Berry Waffle Cone room spray. Yes. So I have not tried this. Let me try it. Ooh. Okay, so I feel like the room spray, it doesn't smell exactly like the body. This almost takes on like, it smells like Berry Waffle Cone, okay? But it almost takes on like a Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Like, I feel like the Berry Waffle Cone room spray smells like, what is the candle? The Rainbow Confetti candle. It's like, well, it's like a combination of the cartoon and cereal and Rainbow Confetti combined into a room spray. Because Bath and Body Works has two new releases for candles, cartoons and cereal, which smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And then they have the Rainbow Confetti, which smells like Berry Waffle Cone, okay, but for a candle. And this is like those two combined. It works. It works. I'm getting more of these. I like this a lot. I'm definitely getting more of these. It works. It's a delightful combination. It smells like Saturday morning when you were a kid watching your cartoons and you got a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch and a bowl of, I didn't like to eat Fruity Pebbles. I'm going to say Tricks, and a bowl of Tricks. I liked Tricks when I was a kid. So, ooh. Okay, that's not Berry Waffle Cone. That's those two combined. Cartoon and cereals and Rainbow Confetti candles combined into one beautiful, perfect room spray. Yes, so that's what I have for you. My box is empty. Thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.